Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering course, where in this video we'll be discussing about reverse prompting. So before starting this video, let me just demonstrate this lab to you guys real quickly. So we'll be using text this time, or you can say any piece of writing to get output from ChatGPT in a very effective way to get prompts of that writing. So this time we won't be using prompt, we'll be using text instead, and we'll be asking ChatGPT to give us prompts for that. And also be applying prompt engineering techniques to improve our output as always. So before diving into our lab, let me just first of all brief you guys about what is basically reverse prompting is. So seeing the definition, reverse prompt engineering is the process of creating a prompt from a given text or code, which I just told you guys about. And this frameworks also offers incredible insights into how to effectively reverse engineer any piece of content. So if I can tell you guys once again, this is basically a very useful technique or method, you can say, in which now, as you guys seen previously, we use different prompts to get, different kind of output depending upon the scenario or situation. We ask ChatGPT, about different techniques, different advices, different situation. Like we give all kind of situation to ChatGPT before. But now this time we are doing something which is entirely different from our previous processes. So we are this time picking up any type of, you can say, text or context from internet, and we'll be giving it to ChatGPT, and we'll be asking it what types of prompt or what prompt should it have to get the exact output out of which we are putting it right now. So this is basically just kind of a reverse process. So yeah, like all the techniques or types, this one also has a prompt formula. If you're not gonna put these formulas, obviously there will be some errors in the output. So I suggest you guys to use this exact formula if you want the exact output that I'll be showing you guys today. So yeah, that is basically our today's example. I picked out this text, or you can say a kind of an article from internet about Apple AirPods and their features, all telling me. So yeah, I'll give ChatGPT the same exact output as my prompt this time, and I will demand ChatGPT to give me the prompts of that. And also I'll be proving you guys, I'll be putting the those prompts at the end once again, just to show you guys that it will give me the same exact article, or you can say paragraph, that we have put it in the beginning. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just dive right into our ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm right here with my ChatGPT open. So let's just first of all write our first part of the formula. Let's talk about reverse prompt engineering. So first of all, we'll fetch information about prompt engineering from ChatGPT. So let's just say what output is going to give it to us. Okay, yeah, so as you guys can see, it gave me all the possible information about ChatGPT, and it said there are a few of the general approaches as well. So yeah, we're not going to waste any time because we already discussed those. So let's just dive right into our second part of the formula, where I'll be asking, can you give me a simple example of reverse prompt engineering? So let's see what example is going to give it to us. Alright, yeah, so as you guys can see, just gave us a given text, and it says its reverse prompt engineering will be these prompts. And that basically means, if you're going to put these prompts, so you'll get this kind of text, right? So this is exactly what reverse prompt engineering is. So yeah, let's not waste any more time here, and let's move forward to the third part of our formula, where now we'll say, great, can you create a very technical reverse prompt engineering template? So now we're demanding template from ChatGPT. Alright, yeah, so now as you guys can see, just gave me a template for the whole reverse prompt engineering technique. So now for the last part of our formula, I'll be inserting my text here and see what kind of reverse prompts it just gave it to us. And we'll also be seeing whether it's working for us or not. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so now I'm done with the last part of our formula along with my text as well, which was about Apple AirPods and its features. So yeah, let's just hit enter and see what kind of prompts in the form of output is going to give it to us. Alright, so it just gave me a little bit of information. It says your given text was this, and for that it gave me a reverse prompt, and which is this. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's working for now very accurately. So let's just copy this reverse prompt that just gave it to us and insert it into the ChatGPT input area and see whether it will give me the same text or not. So let's just try. Let's just put it into our new chat. Alright, yeah. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's working absolutely fine. So with that prompt, we were demanding the information about the Apple AirPods along with its features as well. It just gave me a little bit of information about the AirPods, and it's told me about the features like availability of wireless charging. Then we have integration with Siri, and then we have with using AirPods with all devices of Breeze. And it just showed me all the possible features that the AirPods have. So yeah, this is basically reverse prompting does. It basically takes your given text or any kind of information that you want ChatGPT to, to reverse it and give it prompts of that text to you instead. So yeah, that is very useful kind of a feature, if you can say, of ChatGPT to us. All right, yeah, so that will be it for this lecture.